Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this sparkly, moody purple eye look using the new Rose Metals palette by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Anastasia of Beverly Hills is one of my top favorite eyeshadow formulas, and this look is super easy to create, and we're just going to jump right into it. The first shade I'm going to use is Sun Rose on an L'Oreal A11. This is one of my favorite blending brushes, and I'm going to blend this into my crease, making sure my crease is nice and warm. These shades blend out like butter. They're so pigmented, and so I'm just really taking my time here, blending it out, making sure my crease is nice and blended and warm. Next, I'm taking a Morphe GH32 blending brush, and I'm taking the shade DUNE. This is a matte dark mauve, and I'm going to tap and blend this all over my eyelid. I want a really matte maroon eyelid. I'm keeping my inner corner untouched, so the matte maroon is going everywhere except my inner corner, because putting dark shadow in your inner corner can close off your eyes. I'm then going to rock my brush into my crease back and forth, so it's a very nice smooth transition between the maroon and the darker, more orangey crease shade. Taking a Morphe P9, which is like a pointed blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Noble, which is the darkest brown matte shade in the palette, and I'm going to blend this on my outer lashes towards the base and then bring it up into my outer V. This is just going to help bring out that smokiness. I'm going to take my finger and take the shade Nocturne. This is the prettiest shade, in my opinion, in the palette. It's a beautiful silvery green, blue, brown. I just love it so much. There's so many different colors in this eyeshadow, and so I'm going to tap this on my lid, just kind of building up the pigment, and I just love this eyeshadow. And again, making sure I am not touching my inner corner and keeping that area nice and light. Next, I'm going to take my finger and go with the shade Royal, which is this beautiful purple shimmer shade. I layer a lot of eyeshadows in this palette because they're just so like three-dimensional. I don't even know. You can use them in so many ways. They look different in so many ways. Applied wet, applied dry, topped with a different shade. And I just love that about ABH eyeshadows. And so I'm applying this on top of Nocturne to give it this purpley, blue, brown, snake-like color. Next, I'm going in with a Morphe P5 in the shade Noble, and I'm just going to smoke out my lash line, add some more smoky and definition. Next, I'm going to take my finger in the shade Heavenly, which is this unique yellow, green, white shimmery shade. And I'm just tapping this right on top because I want this to be a eyeshadow topper. I want the glitter and the sparkle to come through. And it looks absolutely stunning layering this with Royal and Nocturne. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe P9 and the shade Noble, and I'm going to blend out this matte brown to my outer V and eyelash line. I just want to add some more definition so it's not just a solid shimmery eyelid. I want some matte around the lashes because it's going to help it look more smoky and the lashes look fuller. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe P9, the same brush, and the shade Done, which is that maroon matte shade, and I'm going to blend that into my bottom lash line, avoiding my inner corner, just to help balance out the top and bottom lid. Next, I'm going to use the same brush, the P9, and I'm going to go with the shade Royal, and it's just going to help give it that extra oomph on the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to go with my favorite current obsessed highlighter. It is the Rare Beauty Auxiliary on a Morphe GH38, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. This shade is absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to go with my favorite black liner ever. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Matte Black Eyeliner, applying to my bottom waterline, and then I'm going to use it on my outer V lash line. And then I'm going to smoke out that outer V lash line using the Morphe P5. And then I'm going to top off some more of the Heavenly Sparkle, and that completes this look. I'm going to go in with some mascara and some false lashes. I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what palette you want me to use next. I love creating tutorials, and thank you so much, guys.